Hey, what's up everybody? Nate here with Nate's Driving, cleaning and driving specialist here in Brevard County. Here's a quick background on what you're about to see. So I got to my first customer's job this morning when I went to go do my pre-cleaning airflow test and inspection. I couldn't feel any airflow or hardly any, and I couldn't see the vent, which we normally can. And that was because for two reasons. One, because of the angle the duct was going through the roof, and two, the vent hood wasn't centered over the hole correctly. So what I did was I trimmed off about 10 inches of the end of the ductwork and then added an elbow to turn it up so it wouldn't be obstructed. Look at all that came out. I haven't seen that much sun come out of the vent in a long time.